Welcome to Mike's Organic Cafe. Today I'll show you how simple it is to make your own steak with cheesy potato using minimal organic ingredients. If you fast for 20 hours and make this, it'll taste better than McDonald's, especially after a workout when your muscles are starving for a nutritious meal. Ingredients are 500 grams of steak with lots of fat, 3 mini Dutch potatoes washed with the skin kept on. You can remove it if you like. Butter around 50 to 75 grams. Combining 4 cheeses is delicious. And herbs of choice, I'll be using sea salt, oregano and rosemary. Step 1. Preheat oven. On a stovetop, put on your pan, place the butter to melt, salt the fat side of the steak first, then flip it and salt all the sides. Sea salt has very little iodine, so it won't raise blood pressure like normal salt, so add as much as you like. Add herbs of choice. Step 3. Turn off the stove, then cut the potatoes small enough so they cook quickly with the steak. I think all the flavors combined make it taste way better. It'll be like a gravy bath at the bottom with all that butter and meat fat melting together. Step 4. Place the potatoes on the sides of the steak, then season with salt and rosemary, then into the oven for 30 minutes. I like my steak well done or close to well done. You can cook them separately, then place your steak in after around 15 minutes if you like yours medium or medium rare. Step 5. Once the alarm goes off, take your pan out of the oven, then sprinkle the cheese over the potatoes, then place back in the oven for a few minutes, watching it until the cheese turns orangey but not burned. Enjoy with or without potatoes, or have a slice of organic cheesecake or homemade Reese's peanut butter cups for dessert. Much healthier with minimal ingredients and no addictive chemicals. Be seeing you.